Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an end screen to your YouTube videos. Let's go ahead and take a look here at my YouTube account, and I'm going to upload a video just like I normally would. And I have a little demo end screen video that I'm going to upload right now. And just like any other video that I upload, I'm going to give it a title, description. I can put in a thumbnail if I want. In this case here, I might go and grab a picture from my desktop. Maybe I'll use this picture of a cookie or this picture of a car as my cover image. Doesn't really matter. Let's click the next button. I'm not going to monetize this video, so I'm going to have that turned off. Many of you watching this may not even see the monetization option. And now we're going to add an end screen. So let's click add. And you can see here we have a few different formats. I'm going to use this one video plus the subscribe button. And you can let YouTube decide what should appear there. You can decide to have your most recently uploaded video appear there, or you can choose a specific video from all of the videos that you have in your YouTube account. For example, I might want to include a video about something else dealing with YouTube, so I'll do a quick search here, and I might include the video about how to create a YouTube channel as part of my end screen, and then click save. And simply go through the rest of the process and publish a video whenever you are ready to. In this case, I'm going to keep this video marked as private. Now next, I'll show you how you can add an end screen to a video that you've previously uploaded and have stored in your account. So if you already have videos in your account and you want to edit the end screen for them, simply select that video in your YouTube studio, and then go to the editor on the left-hand side, and you can edit the end screen. I'll click on that, and I can go in and I can change out that element there of subscribe. You can see here I can add another element if I want to, and I can select a video, a playlist, or any of those other options that appear. Now, if I'm in the editor and I don't see the end screen option or it's grayed out, that means that my video is not in the correct aspect ratio of 16:9, or the video is too short, or the video is marked as made for children, in which case you won't see the end screen option available to you. So that's how you can add end screens to your YouTube videos. As always, for more things like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or visit practicaledtech.com.